When we started this project, we looked at a lot of other projects that have been done, and heat pump water heaters are relatively easy. That was not actually true in cold climates. So we found that it was more difficult, and luckily we have a very, very good relationship with Bickerdike. Bickerdike has a very, very good relationship with their tenants, and they allowed us to keep working with getting the system right while they were taking warm showers and in some very short times cold showers. We wanted to alleviate that as much as possible, or limit that as much as possible. At one point we thought we had created matter, because with 2 gallons of cold water I was making 5 gallons of hot water. That's how we found that we had cold water entering from where it's not supposed to in the apartments. Just tracking that down, and that's where having this pilot was really helpful, because if we didn't have a great partnership, there were times where Bickerdike easily could have said, put these things back in, we need hot water. I really want a system that 10 years down the line, something goes wrong, you have a way to keep hot water.